Namaste to all my students. I am Dr. Megha. I am professor and head in the Department of Law. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on Constitution of India, and the topic is Preamble. Before starting Preamble, first we will discuss what is Constitution. Because there are number of laws like Hindu law, Muslim law, contract, tort, and each law has its objective and purpose. Say, for example, Hindu law governs relationship between Hindu law governs matrimonial disputes regarding property, disputes regarding adoption, number of disputes that is covered by the Hindu law. Tort govern civil wrong, what is civil wrong, what is remedy of civil wrong, that is governed by the tort. So every law has its purpose and it covers different area. So now Hindu law cover matrimonial dispute, Muslim law cover Muslim law disputes, tort cover civil wrong, IPC explain definition of crime, CRPC explain procedure of crime. So now what is purpose of Constitution and what is Constitution? So now we can say in simple word, Constitution is law which govern behavior of government. Why I am saying that it is a law which governs behavior of government? Because government needs to be controlled by some authority. What is meaning by that? We can say Constitution is law of government. Constitution is law of government. Why we are saying that it's a law of government? Because only the Constitution describe that how a government will rule, how government will function in the society, what are the powers in government of different positions, and what are the powers of president, what are the powers of prime minister, how president will be impeached, say. So these are the functions, these are the key elements of Constitution of India. So we can say that the Constitution of India is the law of government which control behavior of government. Same as in my earlier lecture, as I have discussed that law is a set of rules and regulations which control behavior of the society. Same as we can say law, it is a law which governs the behavior of government. Now we come to the next point, that is preamble. Now our topic is preamble. What is preamble? We can divide this word in two parts. The first part is pre and the second part is amble. Preamble. What is meaning of preamble? Preamble is the key to know the mind of constitution makers. Preamble is the key to know the mind of constitution makers. क्यों? क्योंकि preamble वो है जो कि ये बताता है कि हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाते टाइम क्या चाहते थे, यानी फ्यूचर इंडिया हमारा कैसा कैसा होगा, हमारे फ्यूचर इंडिया में आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस हमें क्या क्या चाहिए, वो क्या क्या बातें चाहते थे, वो सारी बातें उन्होंने किस में ऐड करी, प्रीएम्बल। इसलिए हम इसको कहते हैं एक वो की जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स का क्या जान सके, माइंड जान सके। तो इनमें इस प्रीएम्बल में क्या क्या वर्ड्स इंक्लूड हुए, इसमें इंक्लूड हुए, फर्स्ट इज sovereign, secular, socialist, republic, democratic. In the second part, justice, equality एंड लिबर्टी। तो हम ये कह रहे हैं कि प्रीएम्बल में किन किन चीज़ों का ऐड किया गया। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज सॉवरेन। सॉवरेन वर्ड ऐड किया गया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में। क्यों? क्योंकि बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस हमारे जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स थे, जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने का प्रोसेस कर रहे थे, स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, उन्होंने ये सोचा, बहुत ध्यान में रखी बात, कि आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस हमारा कंट्री कैसा होना चाहिए, हमारा कंट्री होना चाहिए सॉवरेन। नाउ what is the meaning of sovereign? Sovereign means कि we have absolute power. We have absolute power means कि we are independent and we are independent to take any kind of decision free from any other foundation and authority. So that is the meaning of sovereign. Secular means कि India has no its own religion. And all the religion will shall have equal place in our India. यानी हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारा अपना कोई स्पेसिफिकली क्या नहीं है, धर्म नहीं है। हमारे इंडिया में सभी धर्मों को एक समान क्या दिया गया है, इक्वालिटी दी गई है। द नेक्स्ट टर्म इज सोशलिस्ट, मीन्स कि सोशल इक्वालिटी, वी प्रमोट सोशलिस्ट means कि we promote social equality amongst the people. Then republic means कि the head of the state shall be elected, he shall be elected. The meaning of republic is if somebody will come and will govern here, then the person will be elected by the people. And the next term is democratic. We all know that for the people, of the people and by the people. That is the word of meaning of democratic. So these are the key elements, these are the words which are included in the preamble. So we can say preamble is the part of the constitution and its preamble is the key to know the mind of constitution makers. Then in the next part, equality, justice and liberty, that is discussed in the preamble. So in the conclusion, we can say the preamble is the key to know the mind of the constitution makers. The second point is preamble is the part of the constitution. Hence we cannot do any changes in the preamble. It meaning thereby, if any amendment will be done in the preamble, then it will not destroy the basic structure of the constitution. That is the most important element regarding the amendment in the constitution. So this is the preamble. Thanks to all my students.